Hey guys, this is BJ with Infinite Homestead Prepping. I haven't had a lot of time to upload many videos, but I had an issue arise that required my immediate attention, so I thought I would share my journey with y'all. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like and share and subscribe. Alright guys, I got a leaky carport roof leaking right there. I'm going to try to get up there on a ladder and use some rubber flex stop leaker to see if it works. It's only temporary until, the funds start adding up a little bit where I can do actually really good work. So I'm gonna get up there and see what happens. Alright guys, I made it up on the roof of the carport. Gonna try to fix this leak. As you can see, I got some cleaning I gotta do. We got lots of squirrels and we got a big old nut tree here. Full disclosure, I do not like heights. So I'm going to try to spray this and guesstimate where it's at leaking. And see what happens, see if we can get it fixed. Alright, there we go guys. I sprayed the rubber spray on all the screws that's in the roof. And I cleaned off the debris that was on the roof. I'm not sure if this stuff works or how it goes on or how it's supposed to look, but I'll find out at the next rainstorm. The leak looks like it's somewhere in this area, but I just went ahead and sprayed off a few feet over to the next, just to make sure. We'll see how it works.